All right, let's talk about how you can set the cell size in inches or centimeters or really any measurement within Excel. So we have a blank worksheet here. Now obviously we can adjust columns and row heights by clicking and dragging these around however we want, or if we right click on them and hit row height, this little menu box will appear and we can input some random number. However, that's not going to allow us to select these specific amount of inches or centimeters, millimeters, or whatever measurement we're wanting the cells to be in. So the first thing we need to do is go up to the View ribbon and under Workbook Views, hit Page Layout. It'll bring you to this view, and then from here, if I right click on this column and hit Column Width and bring this up, I could type 2 inches and hit OK, and that will automatically adjust for whatever measurement I'm wanting to put. If I put 5 centimeters here, then that's going to adjust, and I can do the same thing here with the row height for, let's say, 10 millimeters, hit OK, and it's going to adjust those like so. Now, if I select this triangle in the top left corner here, that's going to select all of the cells. And if I right click and hit column width, and in this input box I put 2 inches and hit OK, that's going to update all of these columns to be 2 inches wide. And I can do the same thing by right clicking row height. If I want those to be 2 inches, hit OK. That's going to automatically update all of the rows to those 2 inches. And then once I go back to the normal view, I can see that all of my cells have been set to those specific sizes that I had inputted. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button on your way out. Thank you so much and have such a great rest of your day.